Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook pancakes. I have here 4 cups of all-purpose flour. And then I'm going to put 4 teaspoons of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda. Then let's add 1 cup of white sugar. Now let's mix these dry ingredients. Then let's add 2 eggs. Then we have here melted butter, about half cup, and then milk, 1 can of milk. It is a big can of milk, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Now let us mix the ingredients until everything is incorporated. Then gradually add water. Continue to mix until we get the desired consistency. I almost forgot, I have to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I think this is okay, and we have to set it for at least 30 minutes before cooking. It's time to cook now. So we have to prepare. We have to heat the pan. And we have to put a little oil, although we are using non-stick pan. So let us pour now the mixture. So it's up to you how big is your pancake. This one, I think at least 1/8 cup. Alright, and then if it is almost half cooked, we have to flip. It smells good, and this is almost done. Look at the color, and this is already cooked. And we just repeat the process. Alright, here are my fluffy and delicious pancakes. Thank you for watching.